The first way to fix this problem is make sure to check your internet, because sometimes some website can be accessed due to your slow internet connection. So always make sure you have a stable and a fast internet connection. And even after having a fast internet connection, if it still shows you this problem, then the thing could be that the website you're trying to access is banned in your country. So if the website you try to access is banned, the only way to fix it is to download a VPN. And I would suggest you guys to use this VPN. So I use this VPN called VPN Super Unlimited, alright? So it's a free VPN. You can download it on your Play Store and App Store. This is not a promotion. If you find other VPNs easy, just use it. The main goal is to use a VPN and connect to a country where that website is allowed or not banned, alright? Once you do that, try to access the website and it should be working. And if it still says that, then just delete your Trust Wallet, reinstall it again, and try to do the step. First, try to access the website without VPN. And then if it still doesn't work, then try to access the website using a VPN and it should work. So that's how you guys can fix a deep link not supported on your Trust Wallet.